Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FREEYOND M6 and let me share with you how to enable the nightlight or eye comfort mode. So let's start with customization. So we have to open the settings, then scroll and tap on the display and find the proper option, which is called the nightlight. Of course, we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. We can customize it. Let's tap on this option, and here we've got the intensity switcher. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. It's up to you which intensity is the most comfortable for you. You can also schedule that feature, so none is manual option. You can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time. It's up to you. And then your device will apply the nightlight accordingly, and you can also turn it on from sunset to sunrise, so your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. So this is the whole customization in this device, and you can have much faster access to this option. Simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to open all of those icons and find the nightlight. So let's simply tap on it to turn it on. You can see the color change, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.